Once upon a time, there was a king named Brahmadatta. He was a ruler of the Kashi. Brahmadatta had a wise minister who always gave him sensible advice. The king relies on his minister for the solution to many problems. Brahmadatta has a state elephant. He was very fond of this elephant. This elephant was tamed, friendly, and well behaved. He lived in a stable built especially for him. One night, the elephant's sleep was disturbed by the sound of voices. There were people standing behind his stable who were talking among themselves. The elephant could not sleep and listening to what these people are saying. He did not know that they were robbers. He heard one man say, "Steal at night, so that people may fear you." Another thief said, "Behold and clever, let us come back tomorrow." This continued for 2 weeks. Every night, the elephant would be disturbed by the sound of thieves talking. Since he could not sleep, he would listen to their conversation. As a result, listening to these wicked conversations, every night the elephant became confused and violent. Brahmadatta was very sad at this change in elephant's behavior. He called his minister and asked him he could help the elephant. "I will try my best," assured the minister. He spent the night in the elephant's stable. He heard the thieves speaking. He realized this was the cause of the problem. Post 2 sentries near the stable, ordered the minister. "From tomorrow, the priest will speak the good values outside the elephant's stable." The thieves never came back. The elephant heard only about goodness and kindness. He became calm and friendly again. Brahmadatta said, "Now we know how important it is for men and animals to keep good company."